Before watching this, I advise you that you have a door with you because we are about to super slam some kanji. This character means prohibition. And you know who else prohibits a lot of things? That's right. Kim Jong family. Kim Jong. Kim. And reading of this character is also a Kim. Coincidence? I didn't think so. There are 3 strokes on the side of this character. North Korea has also 3 leaders. This character means has undo something or mistake and negativity. Kim Jong-un is also negative. It means this character is a Kim Jong-un himself. Kim Jong-un with heart. Kim Jong-un has no heart, so he is sad. Meaning of this character is also a sad. Sad rhymes with the word white French bread. Bread. Japanese breads are also sad, so Kim Jong-un is trying to establish world domination through invading the mighty power of kanji confirmed.